hot. All right, folks, how about the GT250? We're super excited about this. I wanted to go ahead this morning, instead of having it propped up in the corner, I definitely wanted to sit it out so we could get so we can materialize it in our head, picture it in our head, how cool this is going to be, guys. We're super excited. I'm super excited for the winner, and it's not even close to being able to be given away yet, but still super excited for the winner. And if this is, you missed the last FL250 video, go back, check that out, link in the description, so you can see us remove all the old seat upholstery tabs. And then we're going to go ahead in this episode, we're going to replace them with new fabbed ones from my work. Super excited about that, guys. I'm in my happy place. I really needed it, so let's get to work. Okay, so now we're here. We got our flux core welder right here. We'll go ahead and turn that on. I'll crank that bad girl up to 7. And I went ahead and turned off all the lights and everything else because I don't want to pop the circuit. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take, we've painted one side of our strips, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to line them up. So right here at the top of our flat strip where the spike starts, going to make sure that's level with the top of this lip right here. So we're going to go ahead, line this up. We're going to have a couple hanging off the end that we're going to put our cutting wheel on our grinder. We're going to cut those at that. We're going to cut that last one off. Then we got our little clamps right here that we're going to put here to hold this in place so we can go ahead and let go of it so I can weld it. Hot. All right, we're good. Don't worry, guys, it was just a tiny little bit of foam right along the edge. I tried to trim most of it off, but didn't get enough. But anyway, our strips are on. We're good to go. Man, oh man, folks, you already know what time it is. I'm working up an appetite. Alright guys, I'm going to get a full belly and then we're back to work. Okay, as usual, now that we got a happy full belly, let's go over here. I'll show you in the middle of munching on pizza. I did get our 2 corner pieces right here, one on each side. I got them formed so they sit right in there. I have our 3 tabs, as you can see right there. Oops, now there we go. I have 2 sets right here, just like it was when we took it apart. And I have our 3 tabs right here. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna weld those in, and then we'll get to preparing this side, and then it'll be done. So excited. All right, folks, no rest for the weary. Let's get to work. And as you can see, I put cardboard in here so we don't catch our foam on fire. All right. Fantastic. All right, folks, super excited and feeling silly right now. Figured I just wanted to, see what the winter's gonna feel like sitting in this kick-ass machine, guys. I'm super excited. Really happy to get that seat bottom done, get all that rot cut out, and get those new tabs put in. I know the upholsterer is going to be super grateful for those new upholstery tabs. One step closer to this bad boy coming into fruition. Don't forget about our proud sponsor, Joe from Odyssey TV, the one making all this possible, because he wants to give back to you guys for buying parts for 15 years. He's super excited and super grateful for every one of you, just like we are at the Odyssey Life Facebook page. We're grateful for every member over there, so go ahead, head over there, join the Odyssey Life family, be part of something special. We appreciate all members over there, and there's no attitudes and egos. We answer all questions. So, all right, folks, another week down. Hopefully, we're going to be riding for Memorial Day weekend, so stay tuned for a FL250. Hopefully, rip and ride with the drone and everything else. I got a helmet mount for the GoPro. No more bumper mounts. So, all right, folks, I guess until next week, I'm going to be kicking butt, taking names, getting ready for the next video. And don't forget, it ain't work if you're having fun, guys. Super excited. Talk to you soon. See you next week. So fired up.